Hello and welcome to 5 Minute English Talk. I'm Bruce.
And I'm Stacy. Thanks for joining us for another quick and fun English practice session. You've made it. It's Friday. And before we start, take a second to feel proud of yourself. You've been practicing English a few minutes every day. And that's exactly how real improvement happens, through short, consistent effort.
Now today we're talking about the day everyone loves, Friday. The mood is lighter, people sound happier, and English has some fun expressions to match that Friday feeling.
Let's begin with the classic. Thank God it's Friday, or simply TGIF. It's what people say when they're happy that the work week is ending. Examples. Thank God it's Friday. I can finally relax. TGIF. Let's grab dinner after work. You'll hear this everywhere, in offices, in movies, and especially on social media.
Another popular one is Finally Friday. It expresses relief and excitement that the weekend is here. Examples. Finally Friday. Time to unwind. It's been such a busy week. Finally Friday.
Then there's Feel Good Friday. It's a positive phrase people use to describe the cheerful, relaxed feeling of the day. Examples. It's Feel Good Friday. I'm ready for some fun. Coffee, music, and Feel Good Friday vibes. It's friendly, natural, and perfect for everyday conversation.
And here's another phrase you'll often hear, weekend vibes. It describes that relaxed, happy feeling that starts when Friday arrives. Examples. I'm already in weekend vibes mode. Coffee, music, and weekend vibes. That's my Friday.
Now let's practice together. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Pause slightly between each line. Thank God it's Friday. Finally Friday. Feel Good Friday. Weekend vibes. Nice job. Feel that positivity in your voice. That's what makes your English sound natural and confident.
Here's something fun. Did you know Friday is named after Frigg, the Norse goddess of love and beauty? So in a way, Friday has always been about good feelings and celebration. No wonder it's everyone's favorite day of the week.
Friday is your reward for staying strong all week. Now let joy take over the work. Let's see how natural conversation sounds.
TGIF. I've been waiting for Friday all week.
Same here. Finally Friday. Time to relax.
Yeah, I'm already in weekend vibes mode.
Yeah, it's that Feel Good Friday energy.
See how natural that sounds? Simple, real, and full of emotion.
Here's your 5-minute challenge. Today, wish someone a happy Friday in English, or post a short sentence like, Feel Good Friday. Weekend vibes starting now. Say it out loud with a smile. That's how you make English feel natural.
Tell someone Happy Friday in English, or post a short sentence using one of these phrases. It could be something like, Finally Friday, weekend vibes. Practice saying it naturally and share the joy that Friday brings. Remember, every week has a Friday, and every small step you take brings you closer to your goals. So celebrate your progress, stay consistent, and enjoy your weekend with a smile.
Friday reminds you how far you've come and how much you've achieved this week.
Thanks for listening to 5-Minute English Talk. If you enjoyed this episode, please leave a comment, give us a review, and rate the show. It helps other learners find us and keep growing too.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and have a wonderful Friday full of good vibes.